Mike Lester CH. Mike Lester CH. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to plant Sansevieria or snake plants for indoor or outdoor decor. Also, we are going to learn its benefits. Tara! Snake plants are well loved by plant enthusiasts. There are over 70 varieties of snake plants. They are excellent indoor or outdoor decors. The varied color and sizes make them interesting. Snake plants are known air purifier. At home, I have this around 25-year-old bird's nest snake plant, and some I will plant in pots. Here's what we need. A big plastic, snake plants, clay pots, loam soil and sand, broken clay pot bits. Oh, where did I get it? Using a hammer, I pound the broken clay pots, which I see can be recycled. I have used wet wipes to cover the bottom of the pot. Using the plastic makes it easy to transfer the clay bits in the container. We continue with white pebbles, seed of course, hand shovel, and used wet wipes. Let's start. Mix the loam soil and sand. Let's prepare the clay pots. let's plant a bird's nest snake plant. Wow! The white pebbles to finish. That was a breeze. It means you can do it too. Yes, all the pots are done. Snake plants are beneficial. As an air purifier, it filters harmful toxins from the air. Also, it utilizes carbon dioxide during the day and oxygen at night, thus can improve sleep. Also, snake plants help eliminate odor. This adorable plant is an excellent choice for indoor decor. It doesn't need much attention, and as an indoor plant, generally needs to water once or twice in every 2 weeks, that is if the soil has dried. Indirect sunlight is ideal for snake plants. I made 3 pots of bird's nest snake plants. I'm gonna put one in the kitchen, one in the sala, and of course in my bedroom. I hope the air quality in my house would improve with these plants. Guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and push that notification bell to be updated with my latest posts. Till then, bye!